Hello everyone. Today I have a device that I would like to introduce to you. This device called SMPlus. It is as effective as Multimeter MTM. This one is Multimeter MTM. And this one is a normal multimeter. MTM is a device for measuring short capacitors on a telephone board. We created SMPlus for those who already have a normal multimeter. When we connect SMPlus with a normal multimeter, it will have the same ability as the Multimeter MTM.
Searching, pain is never really permanent, but damn it hurts, man. I could feel all of the turbulence and it's concerning. I've been searching for a purpose, I hope it's worth it. This society is really trying me. Ain't no hide and seek, I hide to be far from anxiety. I need my space, I need my privacy, I need some silence, please. You're all too loud, you don't speak quietly. Opinions violently thrown across every surface, it makes me nervous. It's the world honestly burning, that's all I'm learning. Hope that we can make a turn and start reversing. All our minds, we put the work in, we got some work, man. I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view.